The Igbo saying goes that until lions have their own historians, the history of the hunt will always glorify the hunter. In July of 2015, a rare event occurred for one night only that aimed to amplify the voice that is currently being drowned out in Washington, D.C. This voice is being covered up by the sound of construction sites and overshadowed by high-rise condos. This was the voice of the D.C. community who has for years laid the bricks, creating what has become the D.C. identity and history. This voice is the sound of the underground.
Man, Reagan making phones with all the money these days.
Yeah, man, my sister couldn't even get no student loans.
And my grandmother couldn't even get her food stamps. Man, dang.
Well, that's the word these days.
This mambo was marinated in the